Okay, well today was a very productive day. Got all of the main cylinders honed. Got the hydraulic lifter cylinders honed. And I got the camshaft bearings, new camshaft bearings in the block. So basically the block is ready to be assembled. And may probably start on that tonight. The weather keeps holding, if not tomorrow. We'll put a little bit of assembly lube on all of the bearings, and on that camshaft, we're putting the old camshaft back in, the original. We'll clean it up. We're going to clean it up and put it in. Okay, we cleaned up the camshaft. We're putting the original one back in. Sprayed it with brake cleaner, and then we're going to lube with assembly lube the bearing lobes. And I don't think I'm going to lube the camshaft lobes themselves yet, because I'm going to handle it pushing it through the block, and I don't want to get that all over my hands and then get it all over everything else. So I can lube the lifters before we put them in, which would then get on the lobes, and I can also lube them once this is in the block. Okay, so we're about ready to put the crank in, but before we put the crank in, and then the pistons and piston rod assemblies, we're going to put the camshaft in, because now you can get our hand in there and hold it. It's also why I have the block turned upside down, because if I have it the other way around, you can't really hold it. You've got to support it from one end and push it through and try and keep it centered. This way I can put my hand and keep moving it through and keep it supported. And I think that's a safer way to protect the bearings. This is Max Tough assembly lube. This is what we're going to be putting on the camshaft and all of the other bearing surfaces. Rod journals, main bearing surfaces. Actually, thanks to the long nozzle, I've got the cap on right now, but we're able to reach down and coat each of the lobes, and we turn the camshaft a quarter of a turn and do some more. So I've got all of the lobes coated with the Max Tough as well.